Welcome back. This is the landing page of the N8N. I have an installed version of the N8N. You can also have a cloud version of the N8N. So we'll start with the very first demo of the N8N, how it looks like. So basically N8N is one of the leading automation softwares as of today, and we can explore more about this starting today. So here is the overview page. This is the personal folder page. Let's go over here. Here we can see all the different workflows that we are having. Here are the different credentials that we would like to save because we do not want to hard code it. As you can see, I have created a few credentials for Gmail, for Apify, for Twitter, and all those things. Executions are the one which tells us what all the different workflows we have executed and what are the different status of it, when it was executed and how much time it ran for, and other details. These are some of the important things that we usually need. And another interesting thing is the data table which has been released in the recent past, wherein we need not use any external system for testing like the Google page or an Excel or any Airtable. We can use the inbuilt Airtables to store the data or to retrieve the data. This is purely for testing purposes. Coming to the personal, this is basically going to divide things into the folders and we can easily organize it. Here we have an option called as create workflow, which is going to be the starting point of creating an N8N automation. More in the next.